Hey, Matthew here from fiberglasssupply.com. In this video, we've got a skimboard that has a traction pad on it, and the traction pad actually broke loose. So we're going to show you how to fix that. It's actually a really simple, easy fix, and something you can do in about 15 minutes or so. So watch the video and enjoy. Thank you.
So we have our carbon fiber skimboard here, and we've been having a ton of fun on it this summer, doing some skimboarding and some kiteboarding. But in the process, our traction pad has lost its grip and broken free of the board. And we want to get that tacked back down in place before we tear it off and have to remove the whole thing and put a new one on. So we're going to show you the process here real quick. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark out on the board with a pencil where that pad's supposed to lay back down. Yeah, I'm doing that here. And then once we've got that marked out, we'll flip it back up. We want to clean off any sand or debris that is stuck on the pad. Probably not going to get all the sand off. Some of that's going to be embedded in an adhesive that was already there. That's okay, but we want to get the big chunks off so that they won't interfere with our bond. Next, we're going to apply some contact adhesive. This is just simply Weldwood contact cement. You apply it to both sides, so we're going to apply it to the board and to the EVA foam pad. That's also another reason why we penciled out on the board where the pad goes, not only so we can put it back in the right spot, but so we know where to put the adhesive and where not to put it. So here we are applying the adhesive. We're using the brush that comes in the contact cement. It's not a very good brush, so you might want to use a chip brush that you trim back or an acid brush, but in this case we are using the brush that came in the contact cement. You want to get a thin to medium layer, equal as you can, on both sides. The way contact cement works is you apply it, then you let it dry completely, and you can actually feel it doesn't really have any tack to it when it's dry, and it should be glossy. And once it's dry and glossy on both sides, then you'll push the sides together and it will adhere to itself. The bond is instantaneous, so when you put that down, you want to make sure you're lined up correctly. You don't get a second chance at it. So once we've got it lined up, we're going to push down on it and get some pressure on it, and we're done. That bond right there is permanent, and it should get many years of good use out of it.
Hey, so there you go. Nice, easy, simple fix, fast to do. A little bit of contact cement, and that'll bond those back in place to the board. Works on skimboards, works on surfboards, works on sailboards, etc. Anything really that you got, like an EVA deck pad and a nice surface to bond to. We've actually had this one fixed now for a couple weeks. We've gone kiteboarding and skimboarding with it, and it's held great. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more like this, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you very much.